If you thought DJI was slowing down this year, think again, because the upcoming DJI Lito 1 and DJI Lito X1 just leaked in a big way. We're talking clear product images, FCC filings, and detailed spec rumors that make these look very close to launch. And from everything we're seeing, DJI isn't just refreshing the mini lineup, they might be replacing it entirely with something smarter, longer lasting, and more powerful, all while staying under that magic sub 250-gram weight class. Let's start with what both drones seem to share. Leaked images show a compact, foldable design very similar to DJI's lightweight travel drones, with a proper 3-axis mechanical gimbal mounted underneath. Both are expected to weigh under 250 grams, which is huge because it keeps them in the friendlier regulatory category in many countries. That means easier flying rules and fewer registration headaches. Both models also appear to feature redesigned batteries, refined rear power buttons, and improved obstacle sensing hardware compared to older entry-level DJI drones. Now, the DJI Lito 1 looks like it's aimed directly at beginners and casual flyers. Based on FCC documentation, it's rumored to include around 22 gigabytes of built-in internal storage, which is a surprising addition for an entry model. Price leaks suggest it could launch around $330 USD, positioning it as a strong successor to budget mini models like the Mini 4K. While full camera specs haven't been officially confirmed, leaks strongly point towards stabilized 4K video capture with DJI's usual color science and reliability. Expect simplified flight modes, intelligent shooting features, and stable transmission performance suitable for everyday creators. But things get much more interesting with the Lito X1. This is the model that's generating the real hype. Multiple leaks suggest it could support 20 kilometers or more of transmission range, possibly using DJI's next-generation O5 transmission system. Some reports even hint at SDR plus 5G style enhancements for more stable long-distance control. If true, that would be a major upgrade for a drone in this size category. Even more impressive is the rumored flight time, up to 50 minutes in certain configurations. For a sub 250-gram drone, that would be absolutely massive and potentially class-leading. The Lito X1 is also rumored to feature significantly improved obstacle avoidance. While the Lito 1 may include basic forward sensing, the X1 could offer near 360-degree detection with multiple sensors positioned around the aircraft. That would put it much closer to higher-end DJI drones in terms of safety and autonomous capability. Internal storage is also rumored to be larger here, around 42 gigabytes, giving creators more room to shoot without immediately relying on SD cards. Design-wise, leaked production images show both drones with cleaner body lines and slightly refined motor arms compared to previous mini models. The camera housing on the X1 looks a bit more advanced, suggesting potential sensor improvements, though exact sensor size hasn't been confirmed yet. The overall design language feels like DJI is modernizing its lightweight lineup rather than just updating specs. As for availability, both models have reportedly passed FCC certification in the United States, which means DJI is preparing them for sale despite ongoing regulatory challenges in the drone market. Most insiders expect an official reveal in Q2 2026, likely between April and June, with pre-orders opening shortly after announcement. That timeline lines up perfectly with DJI's typical spring product launches. So here's what it looks like. The Lito 1 will likely be the affordable, beginner-friendly sub 250-gram drone at around $330 with 22 gigabytes internal storage and stable 4K video. Meanwhile, the Lito X1 could push the category forward with 20 kilometers plus transmission, up to 50 minutes of flight time, improved 360-degree obstacle sensing, and around 42 gigabytes of storage, all still under 250 grams. If these leaks hold true, DJI isn't just updating the mini-series, they're redefining what entry-level and lightweight drones can do in 2026.